Hi, Tom. I'm at the supermarket. Do we have any milk at home?
Hmm, let me check. Oh, there's just a little left in the fridge. Not enough for breakfast tomorrow.
Okay, I'll buy some more. What about eggs?
We've got a few eggs, maybe 3. I think we used most of them when I made pancakes yesterday.
All right, I'll get a few more. Do we have any bread?
No, there isn't any bread left. We finished it this morning.
Okay, I'll buy some. Do we have any butter or cheese?
Butter? Hmm, there's a little butter, but no cheese at all.
Got it. I'll grab some cheese, too. What about fruit?
We have lots of apples, a few bananas, and a little orange juice.
That's good. Oh, and do we have any snacks?
Not really. There are a few cookies left, but nothing else.
Okay, I'll buy some chips and maybe a few pastries from the bakery.
Sounds perfect. Thanks, Emma. Please don't take too long. I'm a little hungry already.
Don't worry. I'll be quick. See you soon.